why is nonverbal communication important? 3 things. So it can strengthen relationships because people will trust you. Reinforce meaning. So it's way more impactful to say, oh, there was an increase of 1,000. And conversation regulation, by that I kind of mean having expressions or having eye contact. If someone's really down, maybe, touch them on the shoulder, like in terms of like encouragement. Gestures, right? So, if I did this in a country, it would be like amazing. But in Italy, if I did it in Brazil, it'd be very rude. Paralinguistics, such as the loudness or tone of voice. So loudness or tone is very important. How their feet are, their stance, their posture, all of these things feed into, do I trust this person? Can I believe their message? Even if we're not consciously aware, we're measuring how much we can believe somebody by all these little nonverbal things. Your communication. So, if you're talking about the numbers, the graphs going up. Last year, our revenue was like this, and now it's like this. Like being able to use hands to support your message, it kind of doubles down on the message. So it's really useful. Motivational speakers might speak really loud or fast, or the pauses, the rhythm. If you speak too fast for people, they're not going to understand your message. They're going to zone out. Decide when, how you're able to maintain that or that sensation of eye contact. I'm not looking at anybody right now, but I'm looking at a little green dot on my screen, which hopefully makes it feel like I'm looking at the people I'm talking to.